Welcome to the beautiful Rio Dulce. This place is so beautiful. We came here after a hectic couple weeks in Samuchampe and Tikal to just kind of work and relax, and it's been exactly that, exactly what we needed. But today we're actually on our travel day to Livingston, so we're gonna take you along that journey to the Caribbean coast and show you exactly how to get there. But first, we need to get packing. All right, time to pack.
Why does it feel like our stuff just like explodes every time we go anywhere? It's like everywhere.
It does. We've been here for like a few nights and it's literally everywhere. It's just inevitable. But this place we're staying is really nice. We actually, when we were in Tikal, we ended up doing a sunrise tour. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to go and watch it because it was awesome. But we met this really nice family on our sunrise tour, and they actually invited us to come and stay at this place they own in Rio Dulce kind of for as long as we wanted, which is amazing. For free. And they're so nice. We honestly feel like we barely talked to them, but they're so nice. So that's where we've been staying, and it's been so wonderful. Actually, maybe we'll link the Airbnb in the description below. They don't know we're doing that, but they do actually rent it out as a hotel and Airbnb, and it's really nice. It has like 2 pools, a sauna, a full kitchen, and the rooms are huge, so we've been loving it.
It's nice, I dig it.
Let's get packing. I'm excited for this boat ride again. This is so confusing. It's sometimes I pack my bags like that, and the next time it's like, I feel like I'm missing it.
So that should be it. I feel like every time we pack our bags, it's a little bit different, but that should be everything. We're gonna do one final sweep of the room and then we're good to go.
We're out of here.
All right, let's see how this goes here. I got it.
All right, on the move. Find a nice place.
Hi, place. Oh my goodness. It's really hard to film and do this at the same time. All right, off we go, Sarah.
Hopefully that wasn't our bus.
So the point of this video is to kind of show you a typical day of traveling. Though this probably won't be like typical type of transportation, we thought that maybe it would be a good idea to kind of show you what our travel days look like. And this is what they look like.
Yeah.
Us walking around with 4 bags.
Yeah, this is why we don't usually film on travel day, because it's so chaotic with all these bags.
We don't have enough hands.
I don't have no arms. So also this might be like one of our least planned videos, because we have a general idea of where we need to go and what we need to do. But honestly, we're just kind of winging it. So we know we need to catch a bus or moto taxi to the town, and then we're just gonna go from there.
Yeah, so it's about 1:30. We're supposed to be leaving by boat by 2:30.
We got an hour.
We have an hour, but we have to find a moto taxi.
Let's hope we make it.
So, yeah.
Oh, frickers, it's hot, air dog. Why do we decide to film today? It's so hot right now.
Yeah, it turns out the Caribbean coast, real humid.
I'm already sweating. Oh no.
We can do it.
Where's the bus?
I don't know, we might have to walk a ways.
All right.
We can do it. We're good, Sarah.
Doing it.
Okay. Listo.
Don't know where we're going, but we're going.
Welcome to transportation in Guatemala.
This is awesome. I love this so much.
Truck just drives by and
It just says get in.
we didn't even wave them down. They just said get in. That looks better.
Much better. I was worried about sitting on the edge because like my backpack's so heavy that I feel like I would just fall backwards.
So dusty.
Okay.
Listo. Gracias.
Gracias. Okay, we made it part of the way, but I kind of just assumed they're bringing us to town. So now we still need to find a bus or something to get all the way into town. Oh, still really fun. It's so hot. Where's the moto taxis when you need them?
We got one, Sarah.
Hola. ¿Cuánto cuesta hasta Bruno's Hotel? ¿Cinco? Perfecto. We fit?
We'll make it work. Yeah.
Oh my word.
You look great.
It's not there.
Why would you choose to do it this way?
I don't know, but I'm stuck.
Do you regret things?
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, you gotta take that off and put it on your lap.
Okay, go back.
Such a weirdo.
I thought it was gonna fit better. That was so awkward. We just started going. Hello. Thanks.
And just like that, you made it to your destination. Now. Oh my goodness. It's a lot to travel on with 4 bags.
So it's only 1:55. That didn't take us very long to get here, actually.
Actually,
which
it
is
was a lot faster than
perfect.
we tried to go to town the other day, and it was like
Yeah, it took us
like
forever.
an hour and a half.
Yeah, it took us forever. I don't know why the bus just like never came. But anyways, we're here at this place called Bruno's Hotel, and we were told that at the pier there should be a boat called Happy Fish, and it should take us to where we need to go in Rio Dulce. Or no, in Livingston. But normally if you're gonna actually travel to Livingston, you go to a place called Rio Dulce Travel, and they have boats and tickets there. It's 125 quetzales per person, and then it takes you all the way there. But our hotel that we're staying at in Livingston has a special boat, so
Yeah.
let's go find it. Happy Fish. Lead the way.
I'm dying.
It's so hot. Anything Happy Fish?
I don't see anything that says Happy Fish.
What about the very last boat? I feel like that's where she pointed.
It's leaving at 2:30, so we're like half an hour early at least.
All right, let's go get a beer. Salud. It's nice to have time for this,
Whenever you have time, just get a beer. Get a beer.
especially with a view like this.
Why not?
How could you not?
All right, Sarah. The chariot awaits.
Yeah, quick beer and a sandwich, and we're ready to go. Woo, woo, woo. Excited. Holy Hannah, it's hot. It's nice, but it's hot.
All right, so we made it on the boat finally. A little bit of confusion. Just whenever you have any troubles, just ask people, because people will help you. It's just, it'll take a little bit sometimes to actually figure out that you're on the right boat.
But we made it.
We made it.
We think.
I think. We'll see.
Whoa, there's so many birds. Look at all the cormorants. That's so pretty. So many. Wow. I guess these are the flightful cormorants, unlike the Galapagos ones.
Here.
Made it. Adios. Well, that was pretty sick. The boat just dropped us off right at our hotel. So 100 quetzales for about a 2-hour boat ride, and now we're here in Livingston. Casa Rosada. All right. What do we got?
We got a room.
Not bad.
Yeah, a little smaller than the last one.
That's kind of cute though. Beach vibes.
Yeah.
Oh, it is so good to be here. This is awesome. What we didn't tell you yet is that you can actually only access Livingston by boat, which is super, super cool. And like all transportation in Guatemala, it's very easy to figure out. You can pretty much ask anyone in any town that you're in, and
Totally.
everyone seems to know how the buses and boats and everything work very well here, which is super nice.
Super simple.
So we're really excited to be here. It's on the Caribbean Ocean, which is really cool. You can already feel like the tropical vibes. So we're just really excited to enjoy our days here.
Definitely. So we don't have a video dedicated just to Livingston. We actually just don't have time to film it. But what we can tell you is that it's really cool, and it's really like, you should definitely come here, because the interesting part about Livingston is that there are 2 different types of indigenous people. There's the Mayan people, which you can find all over Guatemala, but there's also the Garifuna people. And if you don't know what the Garifuna people are, you should just take a look online, because it is a super interesting story.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just like, I don't know, it's just, I think it's just so cool that there's just so much indigenous population here in Guatemala.
Yeah, and the culture is super mixed here, of like African descendant, Mayan descendant, Spanish descendant, some Caucasian descendant. Like, it's all mixed up, and it's just, it's really cool. It's a very unique place, and unlike anywhere else in Guatemala, which is awesome.
So we're very, very excited to be here, just to maybe just relax and
have some beach days.
Have some beach days. So thanks so much for watching.
And we'll see you in the next one. As I'm filming the pool. Hey, little buddy. These things are everywhere. There's another one.